Let me show you how to embed a fast and responsive Twitter feed like this on your Beaver Builder website. To do that, we'll be using the Smashballoon Twitter Feed Pro plugin. To get started, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download Twitter Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Now, inside your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Next, click Upload Plugin and upload the zip file for Twitter Feed Pro. Once that's done, click Install Now. After that, click Activate Plugin. There we go, Twitter Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. To get started with your custom Twitter feed, we'll first have to activate the license key for the plugin. On the left-hand side, you'll now notice Twitter Feed. Go ahead and click on All Feeds, and at the top, we can paste the license key from our Smashballoon account, like this, and then click Activate. There we go, our license key has been activated, and we can begin creating our Twitter feed. To get started, click Add New, and for our first step, we'll have to select a feed type. With the plugin, you can create a feed of tweets from any user timeline, a feed of tweets from any public hashtag, and a feed of tweets that match any specific search term. For this video, we're going to keep it on user timeline. That's already selected for us, so we can click Next. And for step number 2, we'll have to add a source for our feed. For this video, let's embed the latest tweets from GoPro. So I can type in GoPro, like so, then click Next. And for the final step of creating our feed, we'll have to select a template for the layout of our feed. We have options like the default, masonry cards, simple carousel, and more. For this video, let's go with the simple carousel. I can select it like this, then click Next. And just like that, we have a live preview of our new Twitter feed featuring the latest tweets from the GoPro Twitter account. And this one is in a carousel layout, which allows us to swipe through the tweets inside our feed like this. We can now go and embed this inside our Beaver Builder webpage. But before I show you how to do that, let me show you how we can customize this feed. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Here, you can see that we have different layout options you can choose from. Currently, we have the carousel layout, which once again allows you to swipe through the tweets inside your feed. Above that, we have the masonry layout, which displays your tweets in rows and columns. And at the top is a list layout. This one displays your tweets in a single column list. For this video, let's stick with the carousel layout. And if you look below, you have some specific settings for the carousel layout. With the carousel, you can choose to display navigation arrows on the left and right hand side, and the pagination dots at the bottom, these ones here. If you want to, you can hide them by simply deselecting them like this. You can see now the pagination dots at the bottom have disappeared, and we can do the same thing with the navigation arrows. We can deselect it like this, and you can see now they've disappeared on the left and right hand side. I'm going to bring that back, and underneath that you can also enable autoplay. Once enabled, your tweets will automatically swipe through like this. For this video, let's disable autoplay. Next, down at the bottom, you can also choose how many columns you want inside your feed. At the moment, you can see that we have 3 columns on desktop, but if you wanted to change that, you can change it like this to any number of columns you want. For example, let's change it to 2, and you can see straight away inside the live preview that we have 2 columns inside our Twitter feed. I'm going to change that back to 3. Underneath that, you can also choose how many tweets you want to display inside your feed initially. Currently, we have a total of 6 tweets inside our feed, but once again, to change that, you can type in the number of tweets you want to display up to 30 tweets. Let's type in 9, and you can see now that we have 9 tweets inside our Twitter feed. And once you're happy with the layout of your Twitter feed, click Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the header at the top of your Twitter feed, go to the Customize tab and click on Header. Here, you can see that the header is enabled, and we currently have the text header style. This one is a customizable text header you can modify down below over here. If you want to change this, you can enter any text you want, such as our latest tweets. Alternatively, you can go with the standard header style, and this one comes with a Twitter profile picture, account name, bio, follow button, the number of followers you have, and your number of tweets. For this video, let's continue with this one. And if you're happy with the changes, click Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want control to moderate the tweets inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters. At the top of this menu, you can choose to include replies to your tweets by toggling it on here. You can choose to include retweets, which is already toggled on, and underneath that, you can also add words as filters, so that your feed blocks or only displays videos containing those words. You can also hide specific tweets manually inside your feed. With these moderation options, you have complete control over the tweets you display inside your feed. And if you make any changes, don't forget to click Save on the top right corner. And now that you know how to create and customize your Twitter feed, let me show you how we can embed it inside Beaver Builder. To do that, click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, then click on Add to a page. Next, select the page you want to add your feed to, then click Add. Now on our WordPress webpage, we can click on Launch Beaver Builder. And here we are inside Beaver Builder, and this is where we'll embed our new Twitter feed. To embed it, click on the plus icon on the top right corner, and we can search for Twitter feeds. And the widget we want is right here, Custom Twitter Feeds. We can drag it and place it inside our page like this. And straight away, we can see a live preview of our new Twitter feed inside Beaver Builder. We can now click Save and check out what it looks like on the live website. And now we're on our live WordPress webpage, and if I scroll down, here we can find our brand new Twitter feed just as we've created inside the plugin. This one features the latest tweets from the GoPro Twitter account, and it's in a carousel template, which allows us to swipe through the tweets just like this. This way, site visitors can choose how they interact with your tweets on your website. And inside each tweet, you can find the account details, the caption for the tweet, and the video or photo content if they're available. And at the top of the feed, we have a header as well, featuring the account details, number of tweets, and the number of followers for that account. You also have a follow button here. If a site visitor clicks on that, that will take them directly to your Twitter page, making it really easy for them to follow you directly from your WordPress website. And that's how we can create, customize, and embed a beautiful Twitter feed like this inside your Beaver Builder webpage. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any technical issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.